This is Luke from RamX Productions. Today in Spotfire Tips and Tricks, I'm going to show you how to change the number format to a short number in both a visualization and a data table. So looking at our bar chart, we have total sales per state. So we're going to right click, go properties. We're going to go formatting. We're going to say total sales. And since this is a currency, we're going to say currency. Down here, we're going to click use sort number format. And then here we could say we want one decimal place to keep it clean. And that's super simple, right? But what if we have it in the table format down here below? And this is, you go right click properties. This is your data table visualization. And there's no formatting button. So what you do is hit close, go to data, column properties, and then let's find that column that we want, which is for our total sales per state per year. We're going to click formatting. And now what we're going to do is, it's the same thing, is we're going to say currency. We're going to do one decimal place, and we're going to use the short number format. And there you go. So if you want to change it and say it's a number, not a currency, it's the exact same options as currency. Thank you for watching today. If you liked the video, go ahead and ram that thumbs up button. Then be sure to subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. Also, comment any issues you're having with Spotfire so that I can come up with a video to help you out. Until next time.